Welcome to this video on ChatGPT's proven strategies for making money quickly and easily. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the most effective ways to use natural language processing technology to boost your income and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone looking for extra cash, these strategies will help you make money in new and exciting ways. First, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content that will attract more traffic and customers to your website or online store. With the ability to create articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and more, ChatGPT can help you increase your online visibility and drive more sales. Next, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT to automate your customer service and sales processes. With the ability to respond to customer inquiries, generate leads, and close deals, ChatGPT can help you scale your business and increase your revenue without having to hire additional staff. I'll also be sharing some strategies for using ChatGPT to create your own digital products and services. Whether you're a coach, a consultant, or an expert in a particular field, ChatGPT can help you create ebooks, courses, webinars, and more that you can sell online. I'll also be discussing how to use ChatGPT to create and monetize your own chatbot. With the ability to understand natural language, ChatGPT can help you create chatbot that can answer customer questions, provide recommendations, and even make sales. One way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it to create engaging and compelling content for social media platforms. By analyzing patterns in user engagement and sentiment, ChatGPT can help you craft posts and videos that are highly likely to go viral. This can lead to increased brand awareness, more followers, and ultimately more revenue. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it to generate product descriptions and other marketing materials for e-commerce websites. By analyzing customer reviews and feedback, ChatGPT can help you create product descriptions that are highly optimized for SEO and convert more visitors into paying customers. ChatGPT can also be used to create highly targeted and personalized email marketing campaigns. By analyzing patterns in customer behavior and engagement, ChatGPT can help you create email campaigns that are more likely to be opened, read, and acted upon, leading to increased sales and revenue. ChatGPT can also be used to create chatbots for customer service and support. By analyzing patterns in customer inquiries and complaints, ChatGPT can help you create chatbots that are more effective at answering customer questions and resolving issues, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. ChatGPT can also be used to generate financial reports and investment advice. By analyzing patterns in stock market data and other financial information, ChatGPT can help you make more informed investment decisions and generate higher returns on your investments. ChatGPT can also be used to create virtual personal assistants. By analyzing patterns in your daily schedule and activities, ChatGPT can help you automate repetitive tasks and free up more time for other activities. This can lead to increased productivity and ultimately more revenue. ChatGPT can also be used to create automated trading algorithms. By analyzing patterns in stock market data, ChatGPT can help you create algorithms that are more likely to predict market trends and generate higher returns on your investments. ChatGPT can also be used to create personalized learning experiences. By analyzing patterns in student behavior and engagement, ChatGPT can help you create learning experiences that are more effective at helping students achieve their goals. This can lead to increased enrollment and ultimately more revenue. ChatGPT can also be used to create personalized health and wellness programs. By analyzing patterns in patient behavior and health data, ChatGPT can help you create programs that are more effective at improving patient outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. ChatGPT can also be used to create personalized travel itineraries. By analyzing patterns in travel data and preferences, ChatGPT can help you create itineraries that are more likely to meet the needs and preferences of your customers, leading to increased bookings and ultimately more revenue. And that's not all. I'll also be sharing some proven methods for using ChatGPT to make money through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and other online monetization strategies. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and start making money quickly and easily, then be sure to watch this video in its entirety. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use ChatGPT to achieve your financial goals and make money in new and exciting ways. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.